professional athletes caught cheating on a massive scale in the world of sports. The 2002 Winter Olympics witnessed a shocking case of doping by Russian cross-country skiers. Their coach, Vladimir Smirnov, was accused of administering performance-enhancing drugs to the team. This led to a complete disqualification of Russia from the competition. The incident raised questions about the prevalence of doping in elite sports. It's estimated that up to 80% of athletes in certain sports use performance-enhancing substances. The consequences are severe, with banned athletes facing lifetime bans and reputational damage. Imagine if you were a talented young athlete, only to have your entire career sabotaged by cheating. But that's not the strangest part. Some athletes have even used their own urine to cheat. Wait until you hear what comes next. A group of athletes was caught using a sophisticated fake urine device and working on a top-secret project. The device, disguised as a normal water bottle, could produce fake urine samples at the touch of a button. The athletes involved were caught red-handed, with some even admitting to using the device. And working on a top-secret project, something unexpected happened. The athletes were let off with a slap on the wrist. They received mere suspensions and fines, sparking outrage among fans and fellow athletes. It's hard to fathom how some athletes can get away with such blatant cheating. But let's look at the bigger picture. The entire sports world is affected by doping. For centuries, athletes have pushed themselves to the limit in pursuit of greatness. However, when cheating enters the picture, it undermines the very essence of competition. This phenomenon occurs when the desire for victory supersedes the desire to compete fairly. In 1988, Canadian sprinter Ben Johnson famously tested positive for steroids after winning the 100m dash. The incident led to a complete overhaul of doping regulations in the sport. But the problem persists, with athletes continuing to find ways to cheat the system. Imagine a scenario where athletes are forced to compete against others who are cheating. It's a lose-lose situation, where even clean athletes are at a disadvantage. But that's not the only issue. Doping also has serious health consequences for athletes. Using performance-enhancing substances can lead to liver damage, heart problems, and even death. The risks are real, and the consequences are severe. In the world of sports, doping is a ticking time bomb waiting to explode. But the impact of doping goes beyond the athletes themselves. It also affects the fans, who are left disillusioned and frustrated by the cheating. The sports world is built on a foundation of trust. When that trust is broken, it's hard to repair. And then something unexpected happened. A group of athletes came together to form a doping-free zone. It's like a beacon of hope in a world of cheating and corruption. The athletes involved are determined to create a fair and level playing field. They're using their platform to raise awareness about the dangers of doping. It's a courageous move, and one that's inspiring others to follow suit. In 1969, when humans first landed on the moon, the world was amazed by the achievement. But little did they know, doping was already a major issue in sports. The problem has only grown since then, with athletes continuing to find ways to cheat. It's time for a change, and the Doping-Free Zone initiative is leading the way. Subscribe for more incredible stories like this, and join our journey of discovery. Hit like and comment below to let us know what fascinates you most about this topic. And don't forget to subscribe for more engaging content that explores the world of sports. Thanks for watching. Let's create a doping-free world together.